You special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back.
Hey y'all, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. We vlogging today, y'all. It is Sunday, March 27th, 10:50 a.m., which is why I look like a troll who came from up under the bridge. We're about to get this day started. I am 3 weeks out and I had a refeed yesterday. The vlog where I posted full day of eating, it's already up, so if you want to check that out. Basically I got a lot of energy, so when I do have energy, I like to try to get as many things done as possible. So what I'm getting ready to do right now is I got my little notepad, just make a to-do list. This is just easy for me to just kind of stay on track, make sure that I am moving the needle forward. And if midway I hit a wall, I have no more energy, then I'll just stop. However, today, I know we got a train. I want to go, I think I want to go to the mall today. I need to get some underwear, I need some socks. And then I also want to organize my beauty room because it's a little bit of a mess and start pulling things out for spring. And if I happen to have some energy left, I will start working on my office space because it's a hot mess, y'all. I need to organize. I think Lo is, we're gonna share the space upstairs here. So my office space, and then we'll have his little office game area, whatever, on the other side. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Training and cardio are done. We hit chest, shoulders, stair stepper, 35 minutes. My cardio has not increased in over a month. We haven't really had to make a ton of adjustments just simply because my body is responding. If your body is responding, then therefore you don't need to make adjustments. I always make sure my clients that I help out with their nutrition and whatnot, I know sometimes some people feel like, oh my gosh, things need to be changing all the time. But if your body is responding, like you're still getting tighter, you're still, dropping weight, then there's no point in making any adjustments. So I'm pretty sure, let me see, I check in again tomorrow. And like I said, I'm 3 weeks out. So I'm pretty sure tomorrow we're going to probably make some changes just simply because we're right where we need to be. We've just kind of been holding steady here because you don't want to get lean too fast, but at the same time you want to be ready ahead of time. I'm going to be ready ahead of time. However, we've just been cruising, so now it's time to drop the hammer. So I'm going to go home, shower, and then we're going to go run these errands. Well, actually I'm going to go home, shower, and eat because I need to have my post-workout meal, and then we're going to run some errands. Okay, so it is now 6:38. I am leaving the mall. I left my house at 3. I feel like I've been gone all day long, but I really haven't. And when I get home, we will do a little haul. I hit up Best Buy, Target, pet store. Had to get some stuffed animals for the babies. Came to the mall, and I went to Bath and Body Works. I don't know about you guys, but I needed some underwear and I was going to go to Victoria's Secret. However, they are now 5 for $32. And I don't know, something didn't sit right in my spirit about paying $32 for a 5 pair of underwear when I can go to Target and it is just as good quality and get 5 for $20. couldn't do it. So took that off the list. Didn't make it to Old Navy. I went to Macy's and Belk's because I would need a new pair of like slides for work, and I didn't really see anything. Didn't go into Sephora because we don't need nothing. We're good on that part. And oh, I got Lo a TV because he wants, I told you guys, did I say something about that? I can't remember. Prep brain, y'all. 3 weeks out, got a TV for the upstairs, and yeah, now I need to have a meal. So I just had a protein shake, the little chicken bites that I like, and then I'll have some rice cakes. And yeah, let's go home. I'll show you what I got. Okay, back home. Mini haul. Here we go. So that would be Marilla's TV. We just got the, what is this brand? TLC. All right, so Best Buy, I got myself a iPad mini. This is actually a downgrade for me. So I originally had the new iPad Air. However, I had to get a new laptop, and I was just like, there is no need for a laptop and an iPad. However, I do use the iPad for work, taking notes and journaling. So just wanted something smaller that I could fit into my purse. Do I need to do? So got that. And then from Dick's, my favorite athletic brand to wear is from Dick's, and it's the brand DSG. It's actually Dick's Sporting Goods brand. So I like their leggings, I like their shirts, just simply because one, they're affordable and the quality is good. So I like my DSG and Lululemon. Those are my two top favorites. So I needed some new bras, so I thought these were super cute. I am not a busty girl, so therefore I don't require a lot of support. So there's this tan one here, which I thought was cute, crisscross in the back. Then I got another one. It's like this purple color. Trying to stray away from buying a bunch of black and neutral because that's my vibe. However, I've been liking pops of color in the gym, so that. And then I got me just some tank tops because I have grown out of my tank tops. Well, a lot of things I've grown out of, just my back development. So my lats are a little bit bigger, shoulders a little bit, everything on the upper is just a little bit more muscular. And so things are just fitting tight, and I don't like for my stuff to fit tight. So just got some tanks. I thought this was a cute coral color. And then this light blue one here. Then for Marilla, he needed some socks, so DSG socks, bomb. And then I also got him some workout shirts, just 2 workout shirts, because the DSG brand, now I don't know by the time this vlog goes up, but it was buy one, get one half off for the entire brand. So he likes their workout gear as well. Super comfy, soft, wash it, dry it. It ain't gonna wear out on you. So that is what I got from Dick's. Then Bath & Body Works. So I'm obsessed with white t-shirt. Smells so good. So I like very clean and crisp smells. And this is their Ultimate Hydration Body Cream. So before I've never used their lotions just simply because I feel like they didn't really do anything. But now also I don't have dry skin either. But this is very hydrating. I know some people aren't into the fragrance, so if you're already sensitive to fragrance or you just don't like it, this won't be for you. But I love the smell. It's super clean. It smells good on my body, because sometimes when you buy things, it'll smell good, but then once you put it on your body with your body chemistry, it ain't all that. But I love this. I went through my first bottle. My goddaughter Mackenzie, shout out to Kenzie, got me on this. And then soap, because I just need soap for the house. And then I got candles. So this is my current favorite smelling candle, and I just got 2 of these. I said I like clean scents, so this is the Fresh Sheet. So I tend to like more of like the sweeter vanilla scent, but Lo, he didn't really say much. I know he's not a fan of it, and my mom's allergies, she can't handle it. So this is Fresh Sheets. It literally smells like laundry, made with natural essential oils. I was trying to see if they had any notes. Smells like laundry, clean laundry. So yeah, I just got 2 of these, and that is it for the haul. So let me see, 7:03 right now. I think I might call it a night, and then tomorrow we will start fresh with cleaning and organizing the beauty room. All right, beautiful people, it is the next day. Did my check-ins this morning. Not gonna lie, I was extremely underwhelmed. I was just kind of like, meh. woke up and I was like, whoa, I look way tighter than what I was expecting. I don't know. I think because my stomach, like, if this is TMI, whatever, get over it. I was constipated for a couple of days, and then I finally went to the bathroom and I felt a ton of relief, but I just wasn't expecting to be as tight as I was. So when I got up and I looked at myself, I was like, oh, okay, I look tight. The scale did drop a little bit. Went upstairs, did my photos. I was just kind of like, meh, but whatever. It is what it is. We're gonna keep on pushing. I did want to show you guys really quickly the top. So this is the top that I got from Dick's. This is the DSG. These aren't DSG leggings though. These are Lululemon leggings, but this is the top. Cute little crop, and is not super short. I don't like my crops to be that short. Like, I like my leggings to be up above my belly button and then crop top, but not revealing too much. But I am obsessed. Like, look how cute this bra is. Yo, DSG, you want to sponsor a girl? Because I don't hear nobody else talking about it. But like, yeah, man, this is the back. Obviously, I am a part of the tittyless crew, so therefore support's not a thing for me because ain't shit to support, but that's okay. But yeah, I just think it looks super cute. So I'm gonna sit down here really quickly, finish up my content planning for Instagram for the rest of the week. I like to go ahead and get ahead of my content planning at the beginning of the week. That way I don't have to worry about it. And I believe there is a way that I can schedule it, so that way I don't even have to worry about trying to post it. So I'm gonna do that, and then we are going to organize the beauty room because it needs some assistance. All right, beauty room. So it's not terrible, but the main thing that I need to do is I need to put these clothes away and clean my makeup brushes. I'm just gonna do what I can because I can feel my energy is going down. So let's get into it. So I keep going back and forth with the thought of putting away my sweaters and bringing out my spring stuff from the garage, but the weather has been so finicky, so don't think that's happening. Okay, so here's what I've decided as I'm putting clothes away. I'm gonna go ahead and take down the things that I just haven't worn all winter, so at least that way I can make a little bit more room in my closet. I like to, like, basically my attire is all neutral and everything. It's like a tank top with some form of cardigan, just simply because it's easiest for me that way. Like, if I'm cold, I have a cardigan. If I get hot, I can take it off. So things that I just haven't worn, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and take them down because there's no sense in just having them in there. So alright, y'all, so stopping here. Energy has left the building. I'm going to go rest and just chill for the rest of the evening. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, spending the day, well, the past 2 days with me. Down below in the comments, let me know if you like vlogs, if you like videos like these, because I have been enjoying doing so many vlogs. So thank you so much for watching. Keep it simple, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.